Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming 3 essentials: coverage, a 5G plan, and a 5G handset. Once done, power off the phone, insert or enable your Airtel Sim or eSIM, then power on. Make sure you see network bars because registration happens on boot. Next, open settings and go directly to mobile network. You do this now rather than later to let the carrier push any required profile. These steps avoid delays and prime the device to request a 5G connection. Once the device is active, you change network preference to 5G/4G/3G auto. You do this because the phone will then pick 5G when available and fall back otherwise. Next, verify the Airtel APN and carrier settings, update them if the operator pushed a profile but it failed to install. Make sure software and carrier firmware are current. Updates often enable 5G bands. Finally, restart the phone to apply profiles and let the radio re-register on the 5G cell. To finalize, run a speed test to confirm you have low latency and expected Mbps. This proves true 5G. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, restart, or reinsert the SIM. These quick actions force re-registration. Make sure your SIM is provisioned for 5G by noting the SIM ICSID and phone IMEI before calling Airtel support. If problems persist, request a network provisioning refresh. That one troubleshooting tip: always have IMEI and ICSID ready, speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.